Option key does not work as meta in Tmux. I am using Mac OS X Lion. I have checked use option key as meta in terminal preferences. Although the option key seems to work fine as meta in Bash, when I use it in Tmux, over SSH, it does not work properly. I am trying to use Tmux shortcuts like !bm1, bm2, etc. I can get these with the escape key but not the option key.
I would suggest using a term2 instead of the default terminal.app, as it is better for many reasons. Specifically, you would be interested in a term2's options to map left/right option as plus escape, which works much better than trying to have it emulate meta for every purpose I can think of or have tried. This setting is located under Preferences, Profiles, select a profile, Keys.
For other folks who find their way here via their favorite search engine, I was able to solve this problem by simply going to Preferences and GT, Profiles and GT, Keyboard and checking Use option as meta key for the terminal profile I'm using. I'm running WeChat under Tmux, and default key bindings make heavy use of the meta key.
I'm also sticking to terminal.app, and since no other answer solved the issue, I'm adding my own that worked for me. Besides configuring the current profile in Terminal and GT, Preferences and GT, Profiles and GT, select the profile to configure in GT, Keyboard, and checking Use option as meta key. Also look through the default list of bindings in the table just above and make sure that the combinations you want to assign are free. For me there were a few, option plus arrow, keys that were interfering with Tmux configuration to easily change between panes.
I had the same problem and none of the answers provided here worked. That is, I too had the term2 option key remapped to plus escape, aka fallback, meta, in my preferences and GT, profiles and GT, keyboard, as described in the other answers, but still could not change my Tmux pane layout with Ctrl B plus escape / meta, digit. Then I found that under Preferences and GT, keys, there is a navigation shortcuts where, option, plus, any, digit, is mapped to switch split panes. Remember, option, is remapped to, plus escape, so that's a clear collision. Therefore, after unsetting that, to an empty key value, I finally can again comfortably resize my Tmux panes with, Ctrl, B, plus escape / meta, digit, instead of having to use, Ctrl, B, the real, escape, and then the desired layout, digit.
Ovanstående handel är för den 20 skrivning.